So, today we talked about the cuddle position, and we also gotta keep the, I was gonna say Madrid, the merengue step alive. And remember, 2 ways to do merengue step. Freestyle, by you just do circles as you do your basic, or with technique, when you open and then you get to the other side. So you gotta do basic. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap, and 1, 2, I prepare, tap, and 5, 7, tap, going forward, 3, tap, 7, tap, and you're simply unwinding, tap, and 5. Just to do the simplest way, the cuddle. Then we use merengue, 5, 7, 8. Just make sure you're 7, 8, you put weight on the right, and then you tap so that you can go left instead of stepping and stepping. Now you're forced to do the right step. Step, tap. We go 1, 2, 3, we raise the hand, 5, 7, 8. Leads from here, we got 2 options. Either go forward or start doing the rotations. So I go 1, 3, 4. I can do 3 rotations, 5 rotations, 7 rotations, or 1 rotation. 5, 7, 8, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just do the simplest way for the hand toss. Yes? Then we'll use merengue step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. You twist. You flick with your left hand. You release the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then decoration. 6, 7, 8. See así. Okay, so there you go. That's the cuddle. Forward, back. How many rotations can you do? As many as you want. And you can just go right away. You don't have to go forward. You can go right away. And, or whatever else you want to do. Yes, from the hand toss. See así.
Sí.
All right, good job, guys.